art. Today we are drawing a cute chit. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. A small nose and a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the head nice and round and fluffy. You can also draw a few feathers on top of the head to make it extra cute. Now continue with the small, chubby body. And don't forget the little feet at the bottom. Add the tiny wings on the sides. Finally, add some grass around to make it look nice. Great job! But now it's time to color. Color the cheeks with a soft orange for the beak and feet. Color the body bright yellow. Darker yellow for shading to make it look more lively,